They're doing a science experiment using dry ice. We have dry ice here in this bucket. It's full of dry ice. See? That's called dry ice. And now she's going to put the dry ice inside a bucket of water. I'm going to help her, and the smoke that we see, kids, you know what it is? It is actually gas. It's basically what we have is we have solid turning into gas. And this is not water. This ice is not water. If you melt it, what happens to it? Does it turn into water?
No.
Have you kids ever seen what happens when you put ice in the sun? What happens to it?
It burns.
It melts. It turns into water, right? But no, not this ice. This ice is not water. When it melts, it turns into gas. That's what's amazing about it. So this is not a magical potion or anything like that. That's okay. This is not your regular ice. It is dry ice. That's why it's called dry ice, because when it melts, it doesn't turn, it's not wet. It's not wet. It's actually gas. It's not water.
You can't feel it.
It's gonna stick to your fingers actually if you touch it. You better not try to.
How can it stick to your fingers if it's invisible?
It is not invisible. It's totally visible. Now what we're gonna do, kids, we're going to add something really neat to the experiment. Don't put your hand on there, young lady, because that can be dangerous. You want to pour the soap in there? Give me that thing. Tonya is going to pour the soap into the dry ice bucket, and let's see what happens now. That's enough. Watch. Step away. Now what's happening, kids? She put soap inside. Don't take your hand. She put soap inside the dry ice water solution. And what's going on? The soap is bubbling out of control. The dry ice that's turning into gas is blowing a lot of soap bubbles. And that's what she did. Do you want to add anything to your science experiment, Tonya?
Sure. I have to get it inside though.
What do you want to show? Don't add any potions or anything. What? I can't hear you. Okay, that's the end of it. You can stop it.